Now, an important question. How long should you keep your hairstyle? First of all, whatever the hairstyle, make sure it is not damaging to your scalp, your strands, or even your health. Try to choose hairstyles that are really going to protect your hair unless it is for a really one occasion. Don't forget that some hairstyles may be labeled as protective but are not really. A real protective hairstyle does not damage your roots or your strands, so keep that in mind. The truth is, you can wear a protective hairstyle for as long as you want, as long as it still looks presentable and that the hair is not starting to get tangled. So the duration may vary from a few days to weeks. Something to consider is that if you keep your hairstyle for too long, your hair will suffer. You will have loss of moisture and your hair will start to tangle. Because your hair needs to be moisturized, cleaned up, and detangled regularly to avoid hair loss and breakage, consider not keeping your hairstyle for too long